Filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy sets a legal process in motion. But what exactly happens next? First, the court issues an automatic stay. This immediately stops most collection actions. No more creditor calls, wage garnishments, or lawsuits. Next, your case is assigned a bankruptcy trustee who reviews your paperwork and oversees the process. About 30 days after filing, you'll attend a 341 meeting of creditors. This is not a courtroom hearing, just a short meeting where the trustee can ask questions under oath about your financial situation. Creditors can attend, although they rarely do. If no objections are raised and all documentation is in order, the trustee completes the review. From there, it typically takes 60 to 90 days for the court to issue your official discharge order, which clears qualifying debts like credit cards and medical bills. During this time, it's important to stay current on required courses, avoid new debt, and respond promptly to any requests from your attorney or the trustee. In most cases, the entire Chapter 7 process wraps up in about 4 to 6 months, providing a clean slate and a fresh financial start.